Hey everyone, I'm Pavan. Welcome back to the channel. Let's be honest, mornings are tough. But what if I told you that waking up at 5 a.m. could actually change your life? That's the idea behind Robin Sharma's The 5 a.m. Club. It's not just about getting up early, it's about owning your morning so you can elevate your entire day. Let's break down the key takeaways for busy professionals like us. First, the big secret. When you wake up at 5 a.m., you carve out a distraction-free pocket of time. No pings, no emails, no chaos. Just you, your thoughts, and the freedom to focus on personal growth. Sharma says this is the golden hour for your brain. You'll see more energy, better focus, and a real sense of control over your day. But how do you actually use that hour? That's where the 20-20-20 formula comes in. The first 20 minutes, move. Get your heart pumping. It could be a run, stretching, or a quick workout, whatever wakes up your body. Next 20, reflect. This is your time for meditation, journaling, or just sitting with your thoughts and gratitude. Last 20, grow. Read, listen to a podcast, or learn something new. By the end of this hour, you've hit your physical, mental, and emotional reset buttons. Now, let's talk about self-discipline. Forming a new habit isn't easy, but Sharma insists it only takes about 66 days to rewire your routines. Start small. If you're not ready for 5 a.m., try 6 a.m. The goal is progress over perfection. And don't forget to celebrate those micro wins. They add up fast. But here's a truth bomb: high performance isn't about grinding non-stop. Sharma highlights the importance of balancing work with deep recovery. Think of your day like a heartbeat. Work hard, then really rest. Use methods like the Pomodoro. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Schedule real downtime on weekends. This is how you avoid burnout and keep your creativity sharp. Finally, invest in what Sharma calls the 4 interior empires mindset: heart set, health set, and soul set. Read, reflect, move, and connect with your deeper purpose. Build your morning routine around these pillars, and you'll notice a serious boost in every area of your life. So if you're ready to own your mornings and elevate your life, remember? Start with just one early morning. Stick with it and let those small changes stack up. Drop A in the comments if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more powerful insights. Your morning shapes your day, and your day shapes your destiny. See you at 5 a.m.